Today we're talking about co-regulation and relationship-based practice. Co-regulation means your calm helps a pupil find their calm. A common misunderstanding is they need to calm down before we talk to them. But many pupils can't calm down alone, especially in school where stress is high. They need a regulated adult nearby, offering safety and predictability. It's not rewarding behavior. It's teaching regulation through experience. Reframe escalation as a nervous system event, not a moral failure. Example: a pupil snaps at you and throws a book. If we respond with anger, we add threat. Threat increases escalation. If we respond with calm boundaries, we lower threat. Lower threat increases the chance of regulation. Co-regulation is often steady voice, slower movements, fewer words, clear boundaries, predictable follow-through, no public shaming. Co-regulation reduces repeated incidents, builds trust, makes repair possible, protects the learning environment long-term. It also prevents the relationship debt that builds when pupils feel misunderstood. 3 things to use in hard moments. 1. The calm boundary script. I won't let you hurt anyone or damage things. I'm here. We'll sort this safely. 2. The choice that reduces threat. You can sit here quietly or step outside with me for a minute. Either way, we'll keep it safe. 3. Repair after the moment, not a lecture. A brief repair. That was hard. I'm not holding it against you. What can we do next time to make it 10% easier? Repair is where learning happens. Your calm is not a magic trick, but it is a powerful tool. If you'd like practical next steps, I run free monthly 1-hour online sessions via Eventbrite, and I also deliver training for educators and school teams across the UK.